What's gonna happen in Dune 3? Here's my theory. This theory is about the fate of Paul Atreides in Part 3, now as a rising emperor. No, I haven't read the books. This theory is based off of the two films alone. I imagine Part 3 will be wildly different than Dune Messiah since they've changed things already from the books. So, this is a theory based off of an adaptation. If you remember correctly, in the first film, Paul had visions that weren't completely clear yet. So, until he drank the water of life, we assumed that he was the one on the battlefield. But in Part 2, it was revealed that it was actually Chani. So, I believe two possible things could happen in Part 3 because we've seen two visions in Part 1. The first is Chani will come around and join him to rule the galaxy. Or, number 2, the second vision showed us Chani stabbing Paul Atreides. So maybe she'll be the one to take him out. She was heartbroken at the end of Part 2, completely reluctant in joining this idea that he is the prophet, the Messiah, the Lisan al-Gaib. She even said this prophecy is how they enslave us. So what if in Part 3 she's the one that's actually going against him? What do you think? Which possible future do you want to see explored in Dune Part 3? If it gets made, let me know in the comments. And if I get any of these right, just call me the Lisan al-Gaib, Madib.